The ode. An ode is a lyrical poem expressing exalted, enthusiastic, or dignified emotion, often in the form of an address to a person, object, or abstract idea. It is elaborate in structure, uses formal language, and provides a scope for deep reflection and development of thought. Originating in Greek literature, the ode developed into two main forms. Number one, Pindaric ode, structured with strophe, antistrophe, and epode, used in choral performance. Example: Grace, progress of poesy. Number two, Horatian odes, simpler, written in uniform stanzas, meditative and reflective. Example: Shelley's ode to the west wind. English poets adapted these classical models with flexibility. Famous practitioners include Spencer, Wordsworth, Shelley, Keats, and Tennyson. Shelley's Ode to a Skylark celebrate the bird's pure joy. Keats used Keats' Ode to Autumn reflects seasonal beauty in three structured stanzas. Wordsworth's Immortality Ode contemplates lost childhood, wonder, and spiritual growth. Features of the ode: elevated subject matter like beauty, nature, and inspiration, addressed directly to its subject. Example: To a skylark me, skylark, Grecian urn in Grecian urn. Longer than lyric, yet intensely emotional. Often personal, though Pindaric odes celebrated public events. The ode combines emotions with intellect, making it one of the most majestic poetic forms in English literature.